Hi everyone, welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today I'm going to be making my first Decoden case. Decoden is a style of decorating phone cases. And since it's October, we're going to be doing one with a Halloween theme. So here are the supplies. We have some epoxy resin, some composite mold, an iPhone case, some silicone, and of course my decorations. We're going to be using some LL dolls. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is make a mold of our LL doll and pet. So I am going to be using composite mold. This is a reusable type of mold that you can use over and over again. Here it is all melted, and we are going to take our doll and simply drop it face down into the mold. Then we're going to wait about half an hour for it to set. Our mold has set, so let's go ahead and take it out. Okay, look at them. So now let's pop them out of the mold. Take her out. And let's take out the head. Okay, there it is. It looks really good. And now last of all, the body. Alright, there we go. Oh my goodness, you can see all the details. Isn't that neat? Right, taking our resin, let's go ahead and fill in the mold. Now we wait 24 hours for it to set. So it's been about 6 hours, and here is our resin piece so far. I think it looks really good. Everything is clear. And so what I want to do is cover the back with colored resin. I am mixing some resin with a bit of lavender and cream, and also some glitter. And then we're just going to pour it over the backs so that it'll have some color. Now I'm going to wait for another day for it to cure. Alright guys, are you ready to demold? Let's take a look. So here is the back, and here is the front. Okay, so hopefully this turns out okay. Okay, so here is our cat. And here is the head. Oh, this looks really cool. And here comes the body. And since this mold is reusable, I don't really care about tearing it. If we need another one, we can just melt it down and reuse it again. Okay, and here it is. There's a little bit of cleanup here between the legs, but overall I think it looks great. Now let's paint. Let's start with fresh. We'll paint her eyes. Let's do the whites of the eyes. Add brown irises. Add brown irises. Black pupils. And 2 white dots. Then we'll color her lips pink and add eyebrows. Moving on to Witchy, we'll paint her eyes. Add a gold nose. And then a gold collar. Then, as a final step, we'll add a star to her forehead. We'll also paint the rest of the figure with a layer of top coat to get that really shiny and glossy look. Alright everyone, we have all the pieces and we are finally ready to put it together. So I think this is what I want it to look like. We have our doll right here in the middle, our little pet right here on top, and then we have other decorations on the side. So let's go ahead and put it to the side and add some silicone. I'm going to anchor the corners down with some clay so it doesn't run away while I work. So the cream that I'm using is just regular 100% silicone caulk, the stuff that you use on your kitchen and bathroom sinks. It is creamy, and when it dries, it looks just like icing. This can be quite smelly, so make sure to be in a well-ventilated space when you do this. I've never decorated cakes before, so this is my first time piping. I think I'm doing okay. I think this will be much more uniform with more practice. Alright, now we can add our decorations. Alright everyone, and here is my first Decoden case. What do you think? I think it turned out really cute. So I really love having the LL dolls, fresh and witchy. I think they look really cool in resin. And the great thing is we don't have to ruin our doll. So these two dolls are fully intact, they are still perfectly good, and we have a copy of them in resin. So I think I still have a lot to learn in terms of doing the cream just right so that they fit perfectly from top to bottom. But overall, this was a lot of fun. So let me know down below in the comment section what you think of my case. And if there are other cases you want to see me make. And don't forget to subscribe. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye!